Hi everyone, it's Lynn Smythe from the Creative Cottage. Today I'm going to be going over this 15-piece bundle of costume jewelry I got from ThredUP. Kind of pre-sorted this bundle just to make sure everything was in decent condition. I had another ThredUP unboxing video I'll link to that had 2 pieces out of the 15 that were unwearable, broken, missing stones, which is a little bit disappointing when you're only have 15 pieces total, that 2 of the items aren't usable. When you get those bigger bundles, like 5-pound plus mixed bundles, you expect to have some broken, unusable pieces. Anyhow, all these items should be listed on my eBay or Poshmark stores. I'll link to those in the description box. But if you ever want to reach out directly to see if an item is still available, I can invoice you via PayPal and cut you a deal because I don't have to pay the eBay or Poshmark selling fees. Anyhow, this information will be linked at the end of the video. And let's get started. So the first item I have is this nice cuff bracelet. It was stamped MVMT. I'm not sure who that is. I think that's jewelry designer. I'm not sure if it stands for something. Anyhow, it's a little stainless steel bangle bracelet, and it's got this little 8-karat rose gold plated little knot, which is kind of cute. I think originally brand new, these were selling for around $68 plus. I'll probably list it, or I think I have it listed around $35, but I always accept best offers on both eBay and Poshmark as long as you don't lowball me. So anyhow, there's a cute little cuff bracelet with a rose gold knot. Then I've got this really cute Kate Spade bracelet. What do you call these? The clamper bracelets. How does this open? Yeah, here's the clasp. And it's just gold tone plated. It's got this real cute little rhinestone, pave encrusted rhinestone bow. Yeah, let me see. Open that back up. Real cute. All the rhinestones are there. It's in pretty good shape. I think new this ran for I don't know, $50, $60. I might have 35 or 40 on it. Again, Kate Spade, New York. I believe, yes, it is stamped Kate Spade, New York. Right there. I don't know if that's picking up in the video or not. I thought that was a nice piece. And then I think my next item is sterling silver. Sorry, I should have laid these out in order ahead of time. Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. At first I thought this was just a little silver tone pendant, but when oh, here comes my cat. Kitty, come on, that's Miss Shadow Kitty, my rescue kitty. She wants to be famous too. When I Google lens this piece, it came up as uncommon goods. Sterling silver elephant with this little peanut detail. So I thought it was cute, little textured sterling silver. And I believe the chain is sterling silver too, because I saw somewhere this was stamped. Yeah, right there. It's probably not going to pick it up. It's stamped 925 Italy. I guess if you're in doubt, you could get out your silver testing tools. But yeah, it's all stamped 925 Italy there. A little spring ring clasp. Thought that was real cute. This was, I saw online listings all the way up to like $110. So I'm not sure what I listed this for. Somewhere in $60, $70. But again, I'm open to offers. So again, as long as you don't lowball me and say, hey, I'll give you $10. And this next piece, this is 9 West, called a triple cubic zirconia pendant from 9 West. See, it's got the little 9 West hang tag. And, oh, is that a sterling chain? What did I say? Yeah, no, silver tone. I think it's just silver tone. Yeah, that's just silver tone, some sort of base metal. So it's adjustable from about 16 to 18 inches long because it's got this little extra chain, lobster clasp. Here's the pendant. I thought that was real sweet. And I think it's articulating. Yeah, see how it kind of moves around? So that's nice. And then the next item, I think I've got another Kate Spade piece, this big faux pearl necklace. And I believe these are glass pearls, not the cheaper plasticky kind. So the heavy glass pearls, quite large, they're knotted in between. And this is one of those necklaces that, see, it's got the little tassel accent where the clasp is in the front. It's a toggle clasp, and it's adjustable a little bit. And so you would wear it like that. Real nice piece of classic career wear. Again, I think these were listing new $80+. I might have this listed in the 50 to 60 range, but again, you know, I accept offers, all reasonable offers. And let's see, I've got an Ann Taylor loft piece. So I think it was Ann Taylor for loft. And I don't remember seeing it stamped anywhere, but when I did a Google Lens, it came up with a bunch of listings for Ann Taylor. It's this kind of this golden swirl acrylic pendant with these little gold tone chain tassels, and a quite long chain. I think the chain is around 30 inches, and it's stamped loft right there. But like I said, when I Google Lensed it, it was a lobster clasp. It was Ann Taylor for loft. So I thought that was nice. I think I have this listed for around $25 or $30. Again, I do accept offers. And then I had some rings in this batch. This one's marked Blue Apple Co. Sterling Silver. I think I would have to test it to verify it's sterling, because if this is sterling, it looks like it might have a rhodium plating on it. I don't think sterling silver usually looks that shiny. So Blue Apple Company, sterling silver. I don't remember, is this like a Walmart brand or something? I think it's around size 8. Let's see. Yeah, 7 3/4 or an 8. I just called it as kind of like a cubic zirconia solitaire ring. Could also use like engagement ring style. That's cute. I think I put around $25 on this piece, but again, I do accept offers. You know, this could be, could describe it as kind of bridal jewelry or bridesmaid jewelry or mother of the bride. Just real cute little bunch of rhinestones encircling the cubic zirconia. So I thought that was nice. I guess you call that new with tags. Again, I'm not sure of this Blue Apple Company and if that is really sterling. I see a lot of items, like if you go into Temu and those places, a lot of things are say they're 925 or sterling, and I don't believe that's true in a lot of cases. So buyer beware. It's kind of like a little modern ring. I couldn't find any information when I Google Lensed it, not sure of the age or who made it, and it's quite tiny. It's about 6.5. A little gold tone ring with some green enamel. That's quite small, so I'll put it on there. Thought that was cute. I could put this one on there too. Okay, move the bracelets down there, put the rings up there. I apologize if this video is a little wonky. I haven't done any videos for my YouTube channel in a while, so kind of relearning how to do it. I don't know. Okay, then I've got this another sterling silver ring. It looks like a blue sapphire, but I'm guessing it's just glass or cubic zirconia. I guess I would need a gem tester to verify if that was actually real stone. And you can't see it, but when the light hits it the right way, it's kind of like transparent or translucent. Right now it's coming out very dark. And I think this is stamped 925. Where's my little loopy? Yeah, I think it's stamped 925 somewhere. Yeah, it's really cute. What size is this? Size 8, so this should fit me. Yeah, size 8. And I don't know what I've got marked on this. $35 or $40. If that is a real sapphire, you're getting a deal. But again, I accept offers, so you know, through email, if you made me an offer for like $25, $30, I might accept it. Probably can't do that on eBay or Poshmark because you have to pay their selling fees and all that great stuff. And then I got a bunch of earrings. I thought these are really nice. They're stamped Wazen, W-A-Z-E-N. I've never heard of that brand. It's mother of pearl with a faux glass pearl earring. So that's real mother of pearl on the top, and this is a giant glass pearl, little gold tone spacer there. Post backs. Where did I see it marked Wazen? Hang on. Yeah, there's a little logo, and it says Wazen. I don't think you're gonna be able to see that. I know I got out my loop and did a Google Lens, and about an inch long, and I think I'm listing for around $35 or $40 or best offer. Another pearl's real nice. These are a great classic piece of jewelry to have in your career wear wardrobe, like business casual, career wear, whatever you want to call it. And I think we have about 5 pieces left. I think I have a pair of Monet earrings. I think these are Vermeil with the gold wash over sterling silver. It's Monet twisted gold tooth earrings with post backs. Yeah, they're stamped 925 on the post back, but see, they're gold, so that would be Vermeil, little gold wash on over sterling. About, what did I say, 5/8 inch long. I think that's got the M from Monet there. Cute little hoops or semi hoops, little twisted gold tone. Again, these are a nice classic piece of jewelry to have in your business casual wardrobe, career wear, whatever you want to call it. And these next pair of earrings, I don't know who makes them. They're large blue rhinestone teardrop earrings. So that could be like for if you're into the birthstones. I think it's March is sapphire. But you don't have to have a March birthday to wear these. These are real nice. Little blue rhinestones. Little French hooks. They look brand new. Don't know if they are because they don't have the tags. They're not in a box. But they don't look like they've ever been worn. I think about $20-ish on those. Again, I'd probably accept 15 or so if you email me. Oh, these prices are subjective. Make me a deal. See if we can cut it and make an offer. And then 3 more pairs of earrings. So these, the style came up right away on Google Lens in all different colors. It's House of Harlow. And I believe this is leather. The little beige or ivory colored center portion, that's leather. Gold tone, and then pave rhinestones. They're discs. Yeah, I think that's the maker's mark there, House of Harlow. But again, if you Google Lens these, it comes up right away. And this was a common color, and black was a common color. I think there are other colors, but black and this beigey ivory were the 2 most common colors. And again, because these are a known designer and stamped on the back, I think I've got them listed around $30. But like I said, I accept offers. Like, or best offer. And, oops, I think I missed a pair. These didn't come up as anything. Silver tone hip earrings. About 1 1/8 long. And it's got this little, what's that called? The Omega back or secure lock back. See, this goes down and it snaps shut closed. So these are a nice classic item to have in your career wear. I'm more inclined to wear silver or sterling silver jewelry than gold or gold tone jewelry. That's just my personal preference. So these are nice classic staple. I probably have them listed in the $20 range, but again, I do accept offers. And I think I've got 1 more pair. Just generic crystal AB rhinestone stud earrings, gold tone post back. So see this kind of rainbow color, that's AB, what is that, Aurora Borealis? Yeah, ooh, murdered that pronunciation. This big, I think, probably cubic zirconia, the gold tone. And you can change out the post back. A lot of time when I get earrings, they're missing the post backs or they're unmatched or whatever. I always put new post backs on them. That's just what I have in stock, but you could switch them out to something else if you prefer. Yeah, those are really nice, pretty, sparkly, colorful. So there you have it. This is my 15-piece bundle of mixed costume jewelry from ThredUP. Many of the pieces were stamped, so you could see who the actual designer is. And you can go to my eBay or Poshmark stores to purchase these items if they're still available, or reach out to me, sales@thecreativecottage.net, and I'll cut you a deal. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.